Well, here is what I'm adapting here for the water hoses. I had to do pretty much like a puzzle. So let me check here. Alright, these are all new fittings. So that's the original one. It was coming down to this big hose right here, and that went all the way around, going up to the heater inside the truck. So I was originally gonna get both of my hoses, the one for the auxiliary heater that's gonna go all the way to the other side. I was gonna get it with this T down here, and this was supposed to be up here, and I wasn't gonna put an elbow here, but for the air breather going to my turbo, this was gonna be hitting, and so I was not able to do it that way. So there was a plug right here. Took that plug off, put another elbow here, put another shut-off valve, and this is now gonna go to my auxiliary heater. So put a new valve on this one. The old one was broken. It wasn't shutting off. When I unhooked it, it poured antifreeze all over the place. So this is the setup right now, and hopefully it works this way. And over here is the other one. This is gonna be my return right here. So this is the original one here. I didn't replace that one. It's working fine. I put a T. That's the hose that's going all the way up there. And I didn't think about this one. I should have put in an elbow on this one, but it's already late, and I don't think I'm gonna find the hardware open. It's Sunday, so they close early. So I'm just gonna put it like this right now, make it bent over and go over there to the auxiliary heater, or bent it over here and go around. So I bought 24 feet of 5/8 coolant hose, so that should be plenty. So I'm just gonna use this kind of fittings here, just gonna clamp it on, and hopefully it all works. Right now it's about 18-19 degrees outside, so it's getting pretty cold, but I'm gonna try and finish it tonight, and I'll show you guys how I'm doing all of this. So that's the way it looks now. I hope nothing interferes here with my setup that I did. So alright. Well, here I already put the heater inside, just checking it out, make sure on the space. It seems like everything's gonna work fine, but here, this for the windshield fluid, I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna put it inside the compartment here. It's gonna go in the back. Just gonna switch sides on it, and the actual heater, I'm gonna move it more, since I don't want anything to block the air, since the air is gonna come out through the sides, on both sides. And if you guys can tell there, I'm already hitting the side there, and it's already hitting here. So this is gonna have to come off, and that way I can set that one right in the middle of everything. So I'm gonna get to work on that, and we'll see if I don't run into any other problems here. And after I get this off, I'm gonna check where I'm gonna have to drill the holes on the floor, and that's where I'm gonna have to get all my pipes and everything, my fittings, all together, so I can start putting the hoses on and trying this thing out. Alright, I finally finished my project here. It is Monday. I wasn't able to get it done on Sunday. So, here we go. There's the fittings down there. All the pipe goes down. And it is going back here. There's the T over there. Not sure if you guys are able to see it. Back over there. So let's go to the other side. It's still cold out here. Alright. So down there, you can see the valve there on top of the air breather. So let's go to the other side here. Maybe you can see the pipe better over here. The fittings. It is down right there. Let me see if I can zoom this in. There it is. Okay, it is going down all the way to the other side. Alright, now let's go inside the truck here. Now excuse the mess, I have a mess all over the place in the truck. I was throwing things all around. So, alright, here's the auxiliary heater. The fan is running right now. It's actually on low. We already have some stuff. I think that's from the insulation getting on there. So this fan, it gets the air from here. No, it throws it out through the sides. It's nice and warm. I have it on low right now. It throws on both sides. Alright, here's the other side behind the seat there. It's throwing nice warm air. Like I said, it's on low. Alright, here I put my switch. That's on low right now. That's on high. Now it's throwing nice warm air. So I am hoping this is gonna get my feet nice and warm now. And I'm touching it right now and it is hot. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so this is my project. So this is my project, guys. Yeah, I have my headphones on. But this was a pretty good project. It took me a while, but I finally got everything. I can feel it nice and warm in here. So, and the temperature is not even all the way up yet on my truck here. It's about at, let's see here, about 170 right now, maybe less. So, but yeah, it's nice and warm, and I'm hoping everything goes good now with my heating here in the truck. It wasn't that warm before with just with a heater that I had, so I was having some problems with my feet being cold. So I got all this insulation and everything, but I don't know, it just seems like the blowers that are in the truck now, it doesn't throw enough air to keep the driver's side nice and warm. The whole truck is warm just with the heater that it has on the truck. But on the driver's side, for whatever reason, it doesn't feel warm. So now with this auxiliary heater, I should have pretty good luck at feeling warm and getting my feet warm. So I can actually feel the air coming all around me right now, and it feels good. It is I think the wind chill right now outside, it's about 25 below. It's supposed to get colder tonight, expecting a storm, and they're talking about 25, 35 below zero. So, and that's the wind chill. I'm not sure on the regular temperature, but it's gonna get cold and we're supposed to get a storm. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But that's my project I had, and now it's just clamping the hoses. So I mean, I'm just gonna use zip ties, and I think we should be good on that. So alright guys, well, stay tuned for my video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, it took a little process to get all of this done, but I think it's gonna be well worth it. Alright guys, talk to you later.